Scrap Doctors. Here we are. Here's today's scrap. We got a lot of aluminum and we got some of this heavier metal on the back.
Hey, look. It's our doctor gloves.
All right. Now we can perform surgery.
Yeah, look.
Check it out. Nice. We're not proctologists, so we're not going to do them kind of exams.
Nah, I'm not even going to go there. There's a neat little critter.
Hey, I'm almost 50 years old. I'm going to have to probably go get me a, they said do it at 45. Colonoscopy. I don't want to do it. Ooh.
You got a neat little critter.
Yeah, he's almost like lime green or something.
I saved him. It's okay. He's not going to die.
All right, so
we're just going to separate it.
Separate it.
We'll take the wheel weights off of the wheels. Any other thing like the center caps, valve stems, we'll take them off. And then we'll take the tanks off of the radiators.
Okay.
Just anything aluminum, we'll try to clean up as best we can. I don't like to put a whole lot of work into it. You know, you might be spending an hour on one little piece just to get 50 more cents or something. I don't do it. But.
Now, do you want to go ahead and put these shoes in a bucket? I brought buckets.
And I got buckets upon buckets upon buckets.
Well, I got buckets too.
I got milk crate buckets.
I got buckets, and I got a big plastic tub like this if we want to try to keep something in it.
Yeah, I like buckets though. I know some people don't like buckets, but
don't kick the bucket while you're doing this work.
Yeah. All right, I'll get some aluminum.
All right, yeah, let's show me what we're doing here. So you want me to grab a couple buckets for real though, just the, or you're all right just leaving it?
I mean, it's all right. I'm not.
Okay.
Well, there's a good clean piece. That's good to roll. Put the clean pieces right there just for now.
All right. Even though it's dirty, it's clean, right?
Yeah. See, like this. I mean, we could sit around and clean it. I'm probably gonna have to hammer it apart.
And by cleaning it, you talking about? Does that got like a? What's that got on it? Like a?
This is electric water pump.
Okay.
It looks like for a Toyota.
So you're just talking about taking some of that.
We can sit here and hammer on it, hammer on it, hammer on it. Maybe get it apart. I don't know. I just got tired of swinging a hammer a long time ago, and I just quit doing it.
Yeah. All right.
There's turbo housing.
So you're gonna take the plastic off of that and the rubber, or just leave that as is.
We can try.
Of course, that's not aluminum. That's actually metal, right?
That's aluminum.
Okay, so but the bottom part is that's going to be your steel. So you take those apart and get a better price for aluminum that way.
Yeah, we have to get some tools out because it's got mostly bolts. Hopefully, it just comes right apart.
All right.
So we'll throw this on the trailer. We gotta clean it.
So that's what we're cleaning over there. So we're gonna take all the aluminum out just because.
Not aluminum.
Okay.
There's a magnet.
You're right. Yeah, it's a good magnet.
I like it. It's got a
yeah.
It's rubberized right there, so I can put it anywhere on the truck I want. So if I put it right there, I can.
Not gonna scratch anything. You scratch your beautiful truck.
Oh, I know. It's got an extra beauty mark right here.
I don't know what you're talking about. That was there.
Have to clean that. I might even actually have a tool in my pocket for this. I keep a wrench in my pocket.
So then this mess right here, we're just gonna throw it in the trash?
Yeah.
Okay.
There it is. Oh, it fits.
Wow, check that out.
That's gonna have to get that stud out of there too. A lot of times I get a little small impact and I get my socket set out, and if I got a lot of metal to clean, that way it's easier. You're not just sitting there wasting your time. Spinning bolts. Let the impact do it. But I usually keep a bucket for bolts too, so I don't throw them away either. So when I strip them out of my stuff to clean, I'll throw them in a bucket. I know we like buckets. I'll go get
buckets? What's that? You got your mud bucket right there, don't you?
Same bolts.
Joint compound.
Take out and throw it in there.
Bolts and what?
Random steel item.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
Right, that's the.
It's a 10 millimeter, so it's kind of
Yeah. Yeah, we know how 10 millimeters are. So now, explain to me that there. Why are you taking that one apart? Is this aluminum here and steel up here?
No, they're both aluminum, but it's got the bolts in it. So.
Also, since the bolts aren't aluminum, you want to take those out.
Now, I don't technically know what's inside of it. We can get it apart here and be metal pieces inside, hiding from it.
You know what about this little rubber piece? You gonna pull that off?
Yeah, I have to take it off too. See, there's a filter inside.
Okay, there's a little rubber gasket.
That's the transmission. That's where the transmission filter is. So there's a, well, minus that. I don't know if I can get it off this ring. Hey, kitty.
Meow.
There's cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Yep, that's her name.
All right.
Strange thing about that cat is I got her from a junkyard that was close to Oceana.
Meow. That key cat.
Look there. It broke off, so we'll don't worry about it. So there's a clean piece of aluminum.
Okay.
We'll throw it in our clean pile. Yeah, I'll show you a tool I made too. It's good for getting them seals out.
All right. The tool you made. All right, a screwdriver.
Well, no. It's an old broken screwdriver that the tip was broke off, so I just kind of flattened it back out. And
yeah.
I did it at an angle. I did it so I could get the tanks off of the radiators easier, but
Right.
where it's kind of got a sharper point than normal.
Yeah.
You can see the seals out pretty good. So
Ta-da.
there's
That's a
two
good
pieces.
clean piece. All right.
There's two.
All right.
Let's clean this one.
And what's that gonna be?
Regular shredder scrap.
Okay.
It's got too much other stuff in
Okay.
it. So is this. Technically, if you want to get technical, if you wanted to strip it down and get that electrical motor out of it, you can take it in for an electric motor. But
So they give you prices for little motors like that.
yeah, but it's there's kind of a lot of work involved just to get a little bit extra, just to get a little bit extra. But it's worth to you, I guess.
So that's gonna be steel, right?
I don't know. Is it a heat shield? And it's stuck.
It's stuck. Okay.
Stuff like this. I know them bushings are so incredibly hard to get out. I never usually fool with them. Some people throw them in the fire. I'm not gonna do it. So we'll make a dirty aluminum pile.
All right. And this is good, clean stuff, right?
Our dirty pile will be over there.
And what's that right there? Think that's gonna be aluminum?
Looks like it's rusted.
It's rusted.
Yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck. So,
Okay.
here's a little piece we might be able to clean up. See, here's another one that's got that bush.
Yeah.
We'll throw it over in there.
What's that little piece?
It looks like a timing chain tensioner. I couldn't say it, but that's exactly what that looks like. Timing chain tensioner. This engine's set. This wheel. Like water pumps, they're kind of difficult to get apart sometimes. So I usually I'll look at them if I think I can get them apart.
So does that count for dirty?
This is gonna be dirty.
Okay, because I didn't know if the aluminum had to outweigh the metal or vice versa. If
The way they
to
do it
claim
down
it.
there, it's 2%. If 2% of it's iron, they'll count it as good. But if past that, they'll just count it as dirty aluminum.
okay,
I see like this one, the shaft's almost all the way out of it. I think I'll take a whack at trying to get that one separated.
Call that one clean.
Dirty aluminum. And then I guess we'll have to move that transmission.
All right.
Some of that to get to them radiators. I don't think I'm able to get that one either. Yeah, we got some aluminum. That's pretty much all already clean. There's a clean piece. 30.
Now, are those considered clean, or do you have different prices for rims?
Rims, I'm gonna clean them. But there is different prices.
Clean how? What are you gonna take off of them?
Wheel weights, valve stems.
There's little. So the wheel weights. Educate me here. So the wheel weights are them little tabs around the edges.
It can be, or they can be stick-ons on the inside.
Okay, so they're them little rectangular pieces that they add. So those are actually like steel or something, metal of some sort.
Some of them are lead. Some of newer ones are steel or iron.
Okay.
I think they're getting away from trying to use lead.
So they won't. So as small as those are, they won't call that clean if those are on there.
Oh, they won't for sure.
Okay.
As soon as they see them, they'll roll them over and see them like, oh, that's dirty.
Okay.
And you get paid significantly.
Man,
less on those.
I was gonna say that's a small.
Yeah.
But
So
I guess clean's got to be really clean.
Yeah, and they're real easy to get off her. So I will take my time when getting them off her.
Okay. So is there anything else over there we need to pull out? Maybe I can roll this over that way.
You should be able to roll it.
Is that piece right there? Is that aluminum or is that?
That's
okay.
steel.
So these are all aluminum in the entire thing except for these side pieces, right?
Thanks. We'll clean. I've never seen one like that before, though.
Why is that? What's different about it?
The tabs. Normally they're like this. That's how they just get picked. They're normally just like bent over, but those are like, I don't know, they're just little.
Oh, do you have to unfold all those to get that off there?
I do. Some people take a Sawzall to them, makes them a little quicker.
Oh, these are like, okay, I see what you're talking about.
They take as quick as it is, it's only just a little bit longer to sit there and pry up on tabs, because you only have to do one side. I'll show you in a second. But
okay.
Some of these have tanks inside. Some of them are brass tanks, some of them are aluminum tanks, and I like to be able to get those too.
Inside of this plastic, there's something in there? Really?
There's a tank in this one. That's a tank inside there. It's
okay.
Either whatever they want to use, transmission coolers, usually probably transmission cooler, oil cooler of some kind for power steering maybe. Right here. There's a brass cooler inside one right there. I just haven't cleaned it out yet. That's not from this job, but like see, condensers are easy because that's already clean.
All right. So is that a clean brass right there?
Clean aluminum. Yeah.
Okay.
Here's a chunk of clean. So yeah, we'll clean these up, and that's really all we got to do. The rest of it, unless you can go see something else we need to address. Just got to clean these.
Well, that sure don't fit down in there very well, does it? Just put it right here for now. If that's considered clean. Huh? Somebody stole your tools. You sure about that? Uh-oh. You don't think you have them over Terry's or anything, do you? It wouldn't be over there. This one time you may have. All right, there you go.
Oh, you're doing it the hard way.
Why's that? You said take these tabs off, and that's what I did. So now I'm gonna get made fun of by YouTube people. They're like, "Why are you doing it that way for?"
See, I put that bend in there for that reason.
Right.
I just use.
That's what I was doing.
But I lay it down. This even goes up, and you just lay it down. Your tank's off.
Pop. That's pretty good, Dana.
Then gotta get it sealed.
Look at the doctor performing surgery. Check him out.
Put that in the trash bag.
That's just beautiful right there. All right, gotta see him work on the other side. I say I pulled up the entire row on that one, I think.
Yeah, before I even got to it.
On the other side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Wait a second, man. Or was it the other one I pulled up? It might have been the other one I pulled up. Yeah. I feel you. Check him out.
That's full transmission fluid.
So transmission fluid in the radiator.
I think it's where we had that transmission sitting on it.
Oh, I was like, that don't go in there, does it?
Not normally. No, part of the plastic broke off. I hate it when this happens. This makes it harder. That's good enough. There's clean.
Okay. All right. So with this one, I mean, it's still the same process. It's just these are, ooh, those are a little bit stiffer than those little tabs.
Yeah.
Feels like it.
Does that got a tank in it? No, it don't got a tank. I want to. I want to leave it. There. That's brass right there.
Mm-hmm.
Keep that.
I got a second bucket over there if you want to put little brass pieces or whatever we get, copper, whatever you want to put in there for now.
Yeah, then when we get a...
There we go. I think I got it now. Thing of beauty right there.
See, as little time as that took, it's not worth it.
Yeah, it didn't take very long.
That's right. I always said that too. It's worth just if you took a sawzall and cut that off, you'd lost all that aluminum.
Yep, that's true. I wonder if I can do this from this side here, I guess.
Hopefully that'll come out. It's so close. We got much plastic pieces. We'll have to do some more surgery.
Surgery. That should be enough. Yeah. Come on out there. Pretty sure I got everything out the way. Maybe down here. Let's try that. See if that does it. Well, thought I got most of it out of the way there. There it goes.
See, this is exactly what I was talking about. There it finally came.
There we go. Clean.
Clean. Except for a little rubber seal.
Let me get the rubber seal off there.
You got the tool for it.
Yep.
I'll put this in our metal pail.
Yeah, we gotta. Well, Try that again here. Almost got her. There we go. Well, we got her. There's our clean. There's our dirty.
Cooler. I don't know what it is.
Is that like ceramic?
No, that's just dirt from the radiator, but it makes it look that color. But
Okay.
have to stick a magnet to it, see if it's stainless or.
Is there anything ceramic on the car?
Actually, I know they put ceramic brakes on cars.
Oh yeah.
They're actually have.
I've heard of that.
Well, not just the pads, the rotors are ceramic too, and them high performance cars. I have ceramic rotors.
Man, then this thing is crumbling.
Not loud at all.
Man, look at that, it broke. The end of it's crumbling.
You steal my hammer?
I didn't take no hammer, sir.
I'm just kidding with you. I made this hammer. It's an all metal hammer. I got tired of breaking handles out of the hammer, so I made an all metal one. I welded it together. I've yet to break this one. My uncle told me that Dana proofed the hammer.
Dana proofed. That's a little Thor hammer. Nice. There we go. Getting that plastic out of there. That broken plastic, almost got it all. The rest of the rubber. Come this far, I'm gonna give up now. Get the whole thing out of there. There we go. Just so you know, it's clean. Clean.
Clean piece. I got a nice little stack of clean here.
Yep, that's all clean.
Got a nice bucket full of clean. I guess now we can work on some of them wheels.
All right.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get them plastic things off there. Yeah, it's got steel, plastic. We'll take a look at them. Oh, here's a wheel. There's not a wheel. Got a piece of plastic on there. Get that out. That little seal. Might get my fingers in the process.
Yeah. Seal. All right.
So here's the wheel weights I was telling you about.
Yeah.
That's the reason I like this. I made it kind of sharp. Just stick my hand.
Pop them off. Beautiful.
And since these are steel, See them how they're resting?
Mm-hmm.
Throw them in my steel bucket. Every bolt I get. Got none on the inside now. But you gotta roll it up, make sure you ain't got none on the lips. The center cap's knocked off of it. Hey, they took the valve stem out, so that's a clean aluminum wheel now.
Beautiful. All right.
It made it.
All right.
I think they cleaned this one with the road. You see this one?
Yep. Yeah.
Holy cow. I rode on that for a while.
Is that the only piece in there?
Very well may have been. They might have had all the work done for us.
Don't see anything else. So we gotta take that out, right?
Yeah, I'll show you a trick for that.
Show me a trick to it. I'm just gonna yank it out of there with pliers.
I couldn't find my good pliers, so I got this set. Oh no, it's already out of there.
Well, what about the rubber? Yeah, there's something about the rubber though.
Just take that thing and pop it out.
Beautiful. Clean. That one needs done.
That rim?
Yeah.
I think it's got a sticky weight. That's got 2 sticky weights. Yeah. Of course, that's only half a wheel.
Yeah. It's something. Still scrap.
Valve stem's already out of that one.
So this is, yeah, that's magnetic.
You got a magnet in your pocket?
Yeah. I got a good magnet in my pocket. I've had.
Apparently. I just about took the box out of your hand. I gotta see this magnet. Holy cow.
Some of them NICAT, or we call it the
neodymium.
Neodymium. There you go. I got it off of eBay because
these are kind of brittle too, so if you clash together pretty hard, they'll break and shatter. And you know, once it's in 2 pieces, it's 2 separate magnets, so they'll never go back together again. That's another little tidbit.
All right.
I don't know why I know this stuff. But yeah, that's a bad sign.
Yeah.
Because if it had been stainless,
right,
it wouldn't have stuck. So
right,
we'll just throw it in there. Other bucket.
So this little thing right here is what?
Well,
that's aluminum, right?
It's aluminum, but it's got a lot of plastic on it. We can get it apart.
Do you want to beat on it, or do you want to just try to?
Let's not beat on it, so we can't.
It's got them, yeah, it's got them lips all around it, don't it?
Might not be so bad. Just like it.
Look at that, check that out.
Let's see. Luckily for me, I always keep a big wrench.
Off a Volvo, huh? So what is that piece?
Looks like it's a cartridge filter for the Volvo. Oh man, that thing's big. It's bigger than my wrench is.
What's the matter with you, Dan? Get a hold of it. Get a hold of it. You got her, man.
I didn't have a very good wrench.
Let's see. Plastic can't be too tight, right?
That is what that is. There's the cartridge.
Yep.
We don't have a trash bucket, but I don't want oil getting everywhere. That's where this thing comes in handy too. It just breaks them. I love that screwdriver ever since I made it.
10 millimeter.
I believe that to be a little bit smaller. I'll lay it up on the tire. Maybe I can get with these, maybe not.
Oh yeah.
My uncle always told me these are the coal miner's best friend, channel locks. He said they'd much rather take a pair of channel locks to everything they work on than go get a wrench. I mean, they were in there. They're in there pretty good. Must have corroded.
There we go. Clean aluminum.
Clean.
All right. Is that pretty much it for today or what? You're gonna look, you're just pouring stuff everywhere, aren't you?
Yeah, it's easier dirty.
Just gonna leave that as a dirty aluminum.
Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of work involved to get that clean. So is this. I never thought about it, but I mean, one day I'll leave this for a day. I got more time, and then I'll actually go through and take it apart and show all the work that's involved in taking this thing apart, and then people might understand. It's just the amount of work you put into it to the amount of money you get out of it.
Mm-hmm.
It's usually what I got to think about when I do this stuff. So we'll hang on to this one.
All right. So this is dirt. Both of these here are dirty. These are the same part, ain't they?
Yeah.
Both of those are dirty.
And they both pour oil too, apparently.
Oh crap! All right. I'll go put them in the dirty bucket.
You gotta take that magnet out of your pocket.
Oh.
Here's our clean bucket.
All right, let's get these clean radiators.
And this clean, whatever this thing was. Again. They put a hole in your shirt. Oh my God.
Yeah, this thing, the magnet is heavy my duty.
They put a hole in your shirt. It is heavy duty.
Yeah, it pulled through my shirt and made a hole in it. Oh yeah, got some more clean here, don't we?
That's all we can really do. Now, it makes it really nice that everything we got's aluminum body. Like that motor's got an aluminum block on it. That's got aluminum block. That's aluminum case. That's aluminum case, aluminum block, aluminum case, aluminum case. They pay a little bit better than you can put them.
Even though it's probably mostly like metal, heavy metal, it's still.
If I remember correctly, they have a certain category for it. It's called aluminum case transmissions, but they pay a little bit more better price.
All right, so you're gonna run this stuff to the scrap yard on Monday.
Yeah.
Try to get.
You won't be able to make it.
I won't be able to make it, but that's all right. That's all the cleaning up I guess we're gonna do for tonight. Like I said, we got our dirty aluminum here, clean aluminum. These pieces up here, clean aluminum. All the rest of it's the other metal scrap.
They're gonna hate me. I gotta weigh like 3 times. I got shredder scrap, heavy duty steel, and then I got the short iron or prepared steel. I call it heavy duty steel.
Yeah.
And then I got them engines, so I have to weigh 3 different times. I only get off at 3:30, and I think it closes at 4:15. So that'd be 45 minutes.
You head straight over there or what?
Yeah, I'll head straight over there, but it'll be 45 minutes of hurrying.
Yeah. And we got aluminum cased transmissions here. Then we got.
And then I got to go to the door.
Yeah.
Where they got the smaller scale.
And our aluminum rims. All right. We'll go ahead and close it out now. See if we can't cut this. Try to continue on with this metal cleanup here. I don't think this little thing's gonna work. Throw that to the side. See if we can't use these snips. Oh yeah, that worked pretty good. I'll just try to clean this metal up here. This aluminum casing and get these wires out. Probably should have grabbed me a pair of pliers, but I didn't. There we go. We'll put 1 and 1. Take the plastic out. All right, see if we can do this here. Snip these. I ordered me a better pair of snips for this job. Should be here in a couple days. We'll see if we can't finish this one out like this. That's kind Takes about 3 or 4 grabs before I can get it sliced. Wonder if I can bend it first. There we go. Kind of break it and then get in there. Maybe that'll work better. Just kind of open that up a little bit. Get to that wire inside and snip it. If I can bend it right here, pull it apart a little bit, then I'm only cutting through a single layer of aluminum along with the wire. Makes it a lot easier to cut, which seems like common sense, right? So is this called aluminum conduit wire? What is that called exactly? You know, let me know. Educate me. You conduit. Just to the side for now, we'll go ahead and put it in there and sort it out later. The GoPro died a little bit again. Got me a battery pack hooked up to it. Let's just try that for right now until we finish this up. Last piece. Alright. Brought to you by Lowe's. Do it right. See if we can't get this stuff pulled out of here. Yeah, don't want to cut myself. So let's pull that back. Pull that out. Be good to go. I do think I'll go get me a pair of pliers. And a glove. I'll quit tearing my hands up on that aluminum edges. And that thing, stuff get pretty sharp. Man, I thought that would pull out easier than that. There we go. Wire stripping in the twilight. It's getting dark out here. Hey guys, here's what I finished up here with this aluminum MC wiring, I believe they call it. But we got the aluminum casing off of it, and then there's the wire there. We'll run through a wire stripper. A little micro scrapping for you there. So like, subscribe, share, hit that bell, and hope you all enjoy the content. God bless you.